Hey guys, Jimmy of Vegas here, and today we are playing an indie game made in Unity. It's on Itch.io and it's called Backrooms. Okay. All it says is a horror game, but with full lights on. Well, okay, it looks odd. I've not played it before, as you can see, high score 0, so I'm not entirely sure what to expect. I'm guessing to start the game we click wake up, so I'll leave a link in the description to this in the comment. Yeah, that's not what I meant to say. I actually meant to say I will leave a link to the game in the description below. I'm not sure what the hell I said there, why the hell I said that, but you know what I meant. So let's go. Easy, medium, hard. Should we go? Let's go medium.
If you're not careful and click out of reality in the wrong areas, you'll end up in the backrooms. And it's nothing but the stink of old moist carpet.
Okay.
The madness of mono yellow. The endless background noise of fluorescent lights at maximum harm bars. And approximately 600 million square miles of randomly segmented empty rooms to be trapped in.
Right.
God save you if you hear something banging around nearby. Because it sure as hell has heard you.
Huh. Okay. Alright. Weirdly, I kind of like the look of this already. Walk with WASD, yeah. Or arrow keys, yeah. Look with mouse, here, Kev. Can we run? We cannot run. Where should we go? Weirdly, although it's very minimal, it kind of looks quite nice. Fairly decent. Am I supposed to just walk around? Let's... I can hear sounds. No. Have I got to survive for that amount of time, do you think? Is that what I've got to do? Is that what I've got to do? It weirdly looks really nice, although so simplistic. It's good. It is good. Let's go this way then. Is it me or is it getting louder? Is this a dead end? No. Okay, I'm going to go this way. I can hear something. I mean, what is going on? What is going on? Na, 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 na. Does anything else work? What? Always watch your back. What happened then? Something was behind me, was it? Just weird noises everywhere. What is this? What is going on? Wow, there's so much to this. I mean, do you think I've got to get somewhere, or have I just... What? Okay, well, I'm going to stay right here in this room. Right? If I stay here, whatever the hell it is, I should see it, right? What? What's... No, I'm bored already. I'm not entirely sure what the aim is here. It did say to always watch my back, but I can't constantly watch my back. It's like, man, I mean, what's... I feel like I'm paranoid, so I keep turning around. Okay, so there's nothing that could get us here. everything's blocked there, so there's no way. So whatever the hell it is coming from somewhere. So we go through that. I want to. A bit darker over there. I'm gonna go through here. I'm not sure. Well, I'm surviving okay. I'm surviving okay. Do you reckon if I keep my back to the wall? It's getting louder, isn't it? That la 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 la. Okay, so I've gone, what, nearly 2 minutes now? I'm getting a little bit paranoid, if I'm honest, because I've got... Whoa. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. Because there's... I mean... I am getting paranoid now. Because I really feel like I'm not alone. I want to get somewhere safe. Okay, this feels a bit safe because there's... I can back myself against the wall. What? What does that mean? The eye opens up. There. But why? 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 I don't get it. What's going on? Why is the eye opening? Someone help me! Does anyone know why that's happening? It's some kind of weird eye. I tell you what, if this was in the dark, Jesus, man, that would be freaky. This whole thing would be freakier. No, I don't get what the eye's for. I don't get it. I don't get it. Is it... Okay, I'm going to try going out this way, maybe? Oh, I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh! Is that it? Let me watch my back. Watch my back. Have I done it? Have I done it? Oh! You've escaped. Now that's a surprise. Well! Now, that was kind of fun. Very interesting. Very interesting concept. Yeah. Alright then. Guys, give that a like. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't, but please tell me in the comments why you didn't like it, because I always like to know. As I said earlier, I'll leave a link to this game in the description below for you to have a go yourself. And yeah, that was Backrooms. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Guys, thank you very much for watching.